Placing your order is as easy as 1, 2, 3. In fact, that's exactly how many steps are involved. So let's go through the order form. Step 1, order details, is really important. Fill in every field so that your future writing expert will have as much detail of your project as possible. For that, study your assignment instructions thoroughly. Drop-down menus will help you choose the type of service, the type of paper, subject, and topic. In the order instructions field, type additional information about your paper, list important details, then indicate the style of your paper, upload any documents or files that must be used for writing your essay in the additional materials field. In the order total, you will see the price for your paper that is automatically calculated based on the details you've inserted. Moving on to step 2, price calculation. Here you can add some perks to your order. Indicate writer level, the number of sources, academic level, number of pages, spacing, and urgency. And choose additional services that include originality report, an urgent writer, draft, one-page summary, or proofreading service. If you have your favorite writer already, type their ID in the preferred writer field. Enter a discount code in the respective field. All first-time clients can get a discount with the code GME15 OFF. Once finished, you will be taken to step 3, personal information. Sign in as an existing client or register as a new one. As a new customer, enter your email address, create a password, and provide your name and phone number. This is needed to receive updates about your orders. Don't worry when providing personal information. It's all encrypted in our system and never shared with anyone. Now click Proceed to Order. A screen will pop up with a review of your order and the final price. Then just choose your currency and click Proceed to Payment. You can pay via Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover. Choose the card you want to use and complete the information fields just as you would for any online purchase. Click the Pay button and your work is done. We take it from there, find the perfect writer, and let you know when the work has begun.